Second point in set is union, intersection and subtraction of sets. Now we'll see one by one what is union, what is intersection and what is subtraction. So in simple language, union is nothing but the combination of two sets. If two sets are given, let us say A, and A is a set which is containing 3 elements, B is a set which is containing 4 elements. If someone will tell you to calculate A union B, so you just have to combine all the elements, but when you combine, you just have to see that those numbers are common between A and B. Do not repeat those elements. I mean, write those common elements only once. So first of all, union. Now union is represented by this symbol U. So definition of union is all elements present in A and B but only once. That is, do not repeat the elements. That is, we can say the element should be present in at least one of A or B. Now for example, let us say A is a discrete set 1, 2, 3, B is one more discrete set 3, 4, 5. If someone will tell you to calculate A union B, so I just have to combine both the sets. So I'll write 1, 2 and 3, that is elements of set A. Now in set B again there are 3 elements, but 3 is already a root, so I will not repeat that 3. So I'll simply write 4 and 5. If someone will tell you to calculate B union A, so again the same element I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember one thing, order doesn't matter. If you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you write 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, they both are one and the same. So I can say that A union B and B union A both are equal. Correct? Now second operation is intersection. Intersection is represented by this type of symbol. So union is nothing but the combination, I mean we just have to combine. Intersection is nothing but we have to select only those elements which are common between A and B. So I will, in the definition I will write intersection is a set which contains all elements which are common between A and B. Now again let us take one example. A is a set which containing 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a set containing 3, 5, 4, 7. Now if someone will tell you to calculate A intersection B, so A intersection B may, I told you I will select only those elements which are common. So which two elements are common? 3 and 4, correct? So I will write 3, 4. If someone will tell you to calculate B intersection A, so again B intersection A is nothing but the elements which are common between B and A. So 3 and 4. So from this again I can say that A intersection B and B intersection A both are again same. So A intersection B, B intersection A both are equal. So till now we saw union operation. Union is nothing but simply combine both the sets, but while combining we just have to see that element should not repeat, correct? So if there are common elements in A and B, so write only once. Intersection is nothing but we have to select only those elements which are present in both the sets. Now ऐसा नहीं है कि यूनियन दो सेट के बीच में ही हो सकता है, यूनियन तीन सेट के बीच में भी हो सकता है, A यूनियन B यूनियन C. So we just have to combine all the elements of A, B and C and again see that there should be only if the elements are common, so write only one. Similarly, intersection also, if someone will tell you to calculate intersection of A, B and C, so intersection is nothing but we have to select only those elements which are common in all three, correct? So this was our second operation, intersection. Now the third operation, that is subtraction. Now subtraction is denoted by minus sign. Suppose A minus B I want to calculate. So this is a set which contains all elements which are present in A but not present in B. Let us take one example. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a set which is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now if I want to calculate A minus B, so A minus B is a set which contains only those elements which are present in A but not present in B. सो सिंपली क्या करना, पहले A माइनस बी बोला है, करेक्ट. सो पहले कौन सा सेट है A, तो पहले A का हर एक एलिमेंट्स लिख दो 1 2 3 4. नाउ B को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, करेक्ट. सो वन बाय वन देखते जाओ B का एलिमेंट, अगर वो उसमें है तो निकाल दो, नहीं है तो छोड़ दो. सो B का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 2. 2 अगर है क्या इधर, हाँ है, तो 2 को निकाल दो. 3 है क्या, है, 3 भी निकाल दो. 5 है क्या, नहीं है, तो 5 को छोड़ दो. 7 तो ऑलरेडी नहीं है तो उसको भी छोड़ दो. इट मीन्स हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, ओनली 2 एलिमेंट्स. लेट मी राइट इन दिस वे. सो 1 and 4. So A minus B contains 2 elements 1 and 4. Now if I want to calculate B minus A, so again same procedure. पहले कौन सा सेट लिखा है B, so write all the elements of B, that is 2 3 5 7. Now I have to subtract A. So one by one check करो A का हर एक एलिमेंट. Now A में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 1. 1 प्रेजेंट है क्या, नहीं है, छोड़ दो. देन सेकेंड एलिमेंट इज 2, येस इट इज प्रेजेंट, निकाल दो. थर्ड एलिमेंट इज 3 which is also present, निकाल दो. फोर्थ एलिमेंट इज 4 which is not there. Okay, so again here there are 2 elements 5 and 7. So I will write like this 5 and 7. Now here if you observe A minus B and B minus A, the both are different. So we can say that A minus B is not equal to B minus A, correct. So subtraction of A minus B and B minus A both are not equal. A union B and B union A are same. A intersection B and B intersection A are same. Okay, these operations are not only applicable on discrete set, it is also applicable on continuous set also. Let us take one example. Question number 1. Question number 1. Let us say A is one continuous interval from close to open phi. Hope you know the meaning of close and open. Close मतलब उसको सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है, open मतलब वो एलिमेंट नहीं है उसके अंदर. B is a set which is a continuous interval from 3 to 7, 3 open to 7 close, correct. Now if someone will tell you to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Okay, now let us draw one number line. This is our number line in which mark the numbers, that is here 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now A is a set from close to open 5. Okay, now hope you know how to रिप्रेजेंट ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. अगर नहीं मालूम है तो सेट का फर्स्ट लेक्चर का वीडियो जाके बराबर देखो. क्लोज टू ओपन 5. ओके, क्लोज टू ओपन 5. सो क्लोज टू है तो डार्क सर्कल, ओपन 5 है तो एम्प्टी सर्कल. देन बी इज अ सेट फ्रॉम ओपन 3 टू क्लोज्ड 7. ओके, so this is our set B, this is our set A, and this is B. Now I want to calculate A union B. So A union B means, I told you union is nothing but simply addition, correct? So here A है 2 से 5 तक, B है 3 से 7 तक. So when I combine मेरे को मिलेगा 2 से 7. So 2 से 7 तो मिल गया, but the ब्रैकेट विच यू आर अप्लाइंग दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. 2 के पास आएगा क्लोज बिकॉज 2 ए में है, 7 के पास भी आएगा क्लोज बिकॉज 7 बी में भी है, करेक्ट. नाउ इंटरसेक्शन, दैट इज ओनली वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट ओनली दोज एलिमेंट्स विच आर कॉमन बिटवीन ए एंड बी. सो बिटवीन ए एंड बी तो कॉमन मेरे को मिल रहा है 3 to 5. नाउ आई हैव टू चेक 3 के पास क्लोज ब्रैकेट लगाओ कि ओपन ब्रैकेट. सो 3A में तो है, बट 3B में है क्या? 3B में नहीं है बिकॉज B के पास तो ओपन ब्रैकेट है. तो डेफिनेटली 3 इज नॉट कॉमन, तो ओपन आएगा. 5B में है बट A में नहीं है क्योंकि A में 5 के पास ओपन ब्रैकेट है. ओके, सो 5 इज नॉट कॉमन. ओके, सो ओनली दोज एलिमेंट्स आर कॉमन विच आर प्रेजेंट बिटवीन 3 and 5. Correct. 3 is not present in both A and B, therefore open bracket. 5 is also not present in both A and B, therefore 5 के पास भी open bracket. Okay. Now A minus B. Okay. So A में से B को subtract कर दो. So 2 to 5 में से 3 to 7 subtract कर दो. Now 3 to 7 subtract करेंगे तभी element 3 subtract होगा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज बी में एलिमेंट 3 तो है ही नहीं, करेक्ट. तो जब ये सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा इट मीन्स वो सेट में 3 रहेगा. मतलब इधर आएगा क्लोज्ड 2 टू क्लोज्ड 3. बी माइनस ए मीन्स बी में से ए को निकाल दो. तो बी है 3 to 7 में से ए को निकाल दो, मतलब 2 to 5 निकाल दो, तो बचेगा क्या? 5 to 7. अभी 5 to 7 बचेगा तो 7 के पास तो डेफिनेटली क्लोज ब्रैकेट है. 5 के पास क्लोज आएगा कि ओपन होगा. नाउ व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 to 5 तो फिफ्थ जो 5 है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज 5 ए में है ही नहीं. सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है मतलब बच रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली 5 के पास भी क्लोज ब्रैकेट आएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस टिल नाउ. In today's session we saw how to calculate union, intersection and subtraction. Union is nothing but simply combining all the elements, but while combining remember one thing, repetition should not be there. Second, intersection, we have to select only those elements which are common between both the sets. And subtraction, first write the first set as it is, then subtract the second set. अगर वो element है तो निकाल दो, नहीं है तो छोड़ दो. Okay, thank you and we'll see one more third point in the next lecture. Thank you.